If you have a lot of design and want to add them to many products in Printify, or if you want to transfer all your designs and products to another store, there are ways to make your work faster with some shortcuts. The first tip is to use the templates Printify has. When you design in the design editor, there's a button to save the template. When you click it, you need to give it the design a name so you can find it later. It will then be saved in your template library. Whenever you want to use this design again, you can just click on it. The best part is that if you want to use the same design but change something each time, like a number or text, you can use the template and customize it again. This way, you can create variation of the same design. The second tip is for if you're creating an all-over shirt. You have a pattern. When designing a product like this, you need to go over each part of the shirt, like the sleeves, back, and front, and add the same design and same dimensions. Instead of copying and pasting the dimension and the design from one section to another, you can click the button to apply it to all areas. This way, the same design will be added to the entire product. The third tip to save you time, if you want to use the same design and other details on a different kind of product, go to your products page. Next to each product, there are 3 dots. Click them and you'll see an option to replace. When you click it, you'll get the option to change the provider for that product. And this is a good option if you want to change to a different provider because price change or because something is out of stock. You can click the button to see the products that are in stock. In the second tab, you'll see an option to migrate the product details to a different product. You'll get the whole catalog where you can choose a new product to transfer the design to. After choosing the product, you go to the editor again, where you can adjust the design. After you choose to change the product or change the provider, you will get back to the editor. The design might not be in the right position, so you'll need to fix that. If you have chosen colors for the first product, it will also select the same colors for the next product, if they are in the catalog. This is also useful if you're using Task Magic automation, as I showed in another video. You create the product once and then set up the automation to transfer the design to different products. After you fix the design on the product, you need to update the product title to match this product, because everything gets transferred as is. The description is also copied over, so if you're using automation, you'll need to add the column in the Google Sheets for the correct description. If you do it manually, make sure you have the right description ready. Otherwise, it will have the wrong information for the product. The fourth way to save time is if you have more than one store. Let's say you sell the same product on eBay, Etsy, and WooCommerce store. After creating the product for one store, you can transfer it to the others. On the product page, click the 3 dots next to the product, and you'll see an option to copy to. When you click it, you'll get a list of stores connected to your Printify account. After that, go to the other store's product page where you'll see the product ready for publishing. When you duplicate the store products, it will not publish the products. You need to do it manually. If you want to change details for a specific store, like adding tags on Etsy for the listing, click the listing, make your changes, and then publish it. You can also copy products in bulk. Select all the product on a page and you'll see a More Action button. Click it and choose Copy to Other Store. Select the store you want and copy the products. Then go to the other store. Select all the copied products and publish them, unless you want to change details for each listing first. If you copy a lot of products, it takes time to publish them, so they won't appear immediately. But after a while, you'll see the full list of copied products. If you find more shortcuts to create products faster, you can share them in the comments. If you want to see how to automate the upload process so you don't have to do it manually, watch this video next. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.